Hello guys, so this is a very new session with Maya, today's Maya, and today we are going to start model on car. All right, so these are a few images of car, and actually we'll get this blueprint of car, and if you see, I have separated this print into 4 parts, which is back, front, side, and top. All right, and let us import these 4 pictures into our car, and then let us start working. So basically, if you find in internet, you can find this blueprints. Just simply type on internet that blueprint of name of your any car. So you'll find those images. So those images will be in this form. You have to use Photoshop uh, tool to Photoshop software to separate them and bring them to center and align properly accordingly to uh, you know basic lines. Okay, using referral lines, you have to align them so that your Maya while making in Maya while modeling there, so there will be no problems and you can model accurately, right? So this is Autodesk Maya, and it's 2009 version. Basically, main students they do little confusion with newer versions and older versions, but first learn some older versions, then so that you can uh, have more flexible with the software with newer versions. All right, so let's start building. So first of all, before going to that, we'll first import the images. So first image I'm going to import is the front one. So just simply press space bar, come out of this mode into 4 views, and just go to that front view and space bar again. So view, here image plane, import image, and here you have to locate the image where you are going to import. All right, so before doing this, we'll make this into a project. So I'm going to set a new project and new, and I have to browse where my project is, and I have to give him name car underscore AUDIOD. I don't know which model is this. We'll see that later, and I'm putting it in car folder. So here just use defaults and click on accept. So now your project is been created. So you can check it here, my class and car, and here my projects are there. And once you have created your project, you can save the file and go there and save the file. So it will be saved in this car audio scenes and so on and so. Or else whenever you open a project, then set project. What is the project you have to set? That is this car. Okay, and you can directly open scene, right? So new scene, save scene here. So inside of this, your scenes will be saved. So project, set project, car audio. This is the project what I have to set, and click OK. And see, all right. Now, if you save the scene, save scene, it's going to save in car audio scenes. So I am going to save it in Maya ASCII-MA, and I'll also name this as car underscore audio, and click on save. So the file is saved. Here you get a result in this command panel, and that means that your file has been saved. Now, how to import these images? So If you go and click in the view of this menu, your viewport menu, so there you can find image plane, import image, and here if you see, it's directly importing from source images of car Audi project. So you have to keep these images, Audi, whatever the images are there, I'm going to just copy and I'm going to place from where it's going to import from source images. All right, so I have to place it in source images and I'll control and control V. Now you can check here, you got that, right? So I'm selecting front and I'm clicking on open. So I got my front. See, you can find my front. Okay, so this is your front and this is your camera. So first of all, your front is done. Now I'll go to the side. And here it's on right and here it's on right. You can see in the view. So from again, select import image and I'm going to click on the side and I got my side. So front and side is done. Now I'll go with the top, view, image plane and import image and I'll click on the top and open. So I have clicked on the top, side and front and view. So if you have to first of all do the next very step is after importing images, we have to match those images. This is one more important point. So that's important thing that you have to match these images. So let us check first of all the front image and the side image, are they matched or not? So just check the line, bottom lines. You can check here. See, the bottom line is been matched, right? And there is a slight difference on this this thing. So no issues, no problem, because here there is a lot of difference for this and this. So, and the other thing, you know, top. So top means this is the center of this car, so it's been extended a little more. That means that it's going to match there also. All right. So this is the one way how you match very roughly, and already it's been matched properly. So no issues. Any other matching we want, we can also do it later, right? So this is very first step, and you have to match now top. And so basically how you are going to match top, you should match top with the side. So here if you see your front of the car is here and your top front car is here. So in one model there won't be two fronts, right? So you have to change either your side or else your top. So the rotation direction you have to change. So I'm not going to change for the side because the front and the side has been matched properly. If you watch this view cube, here this is the front and this is the front, and this is some right side and this is some right side or left. So it means that your top is not matching because front is here, your top front is on to the left, right? So I have to rotate this. So go there and just see this. Here, if you see in this translation, I think this is minus 90 something, its rotation is there. So let us make it 0 and see what happens. So its direction is being changed to some other way. So that means that it's already matched properly, but we have to rotate in which axis? This is Z axis, right? So we have to rotate in Z axis. So Z axis, I'm going to rotate and I'll be rotating it to 90. Let us check. Sorry. Sorry, this is Y. Here it's showing Z and I'll just check. It's local, it's not world. So I have changed the axis orientation into world now. So this is Y axis, so I have to change it into the Y axis. So Y axis is 90 and let us check whether it's been rotated properly to the front. Now you can see the top is also matching. See there? Yeah. So the front and front is matching. Now what else we have to do is we have to push them little far. So attribute editor, control A, and here you have some controlling tools by which you can move them or this. So this is actually called as the image plane. So we'll go to the image plane attributes, and here you can find the width, height, and everything, and also if you see this is XY. So I'll be simply clicking on this particular axis, X, Y, Z, Y axis I have to move, and control and middle mouse button and drag to left or right so that it will be moving to top or to the bottom. All right. So there won't be any difference if you move that to down or up, so it's been moved, but there is no difference on this while you are doing on from the top. So I moved for minus 50 so that I won't find any difficult, while doing model. If not, later also we can move, right? So now let's go to the other axis, and the direction is X, and I'll be clicking on this and I'll be moving this. So this is also some minus 50 I'll use. Yes. And now this is one, the other one, I'm clicking on this, and this is on Z axis. Let us click and move. So this one also I'm making it minus 50. All right. So you can check here. So you can go into the front view, you can go into the side view, and you can go into the top view. All right. So now I have matched these three images very roughly, and now we have to finally match it very properly. So I'm going to take a cube and press focus so that it will be focused. All right. Now, first of all, I'll match with the top, the length of the car. I'm going to match. So you can check this is the length of the car, and even this is the length, something its length has been measured accordingly like this. All right. The length of the car where you can find that is on the side. So here you can find it, the length of the car. So it's almost matched properly, right? So it means that the length of the car is matched properly. Now we have to match side and to the front. All right. So let us match that side and also to the front. And also from the top, I will also match the width of the car so that my what do you say, even my front also gets matched properly. So I'm just checking. See, yes, only half of the side I have been trying to match. If I remove this display grid, you can find this. See, they're matched properly. So this is the line. Okay. And these are the vertices what I selected. So they match properly. Top view. Okay, width is also matched properly. Means front and your top view is matched properly. Now let us go with the side and front matching. So these three matching are very important. So I'm trying to match the ground. This is my ground, and this is my top. All right, and let's go there. So my ground level is been matched, and also my top level is matching. And you can match even one more thing from the front and side, that is your mirror, you know. So just go with this mirror point and go with the side. It's matched on this mirror, yes, then everything is perfect. So this thing has matched properly. All right, now I'll simply select my front face and I will go to the side view and I'll check. See, this is my front side, so here my face is selected, right? So this one, and go to the top. See, this is my front and this face is selected. So it means that in all directions, my front means front of that car. So this is one way, a very important way where you can check whether your images, reference image we call, is been matched or not. And this is one process of importing through image plane. Okay, image plane is always connected to the camera, right? So select, and here so let's start modeling of this car. So there are two types of modeling techniques generally, everybody uses. That one is using by edge, and other one is box. So you can use both. It's up to you which technique you will be applying. If you are going to use a box, already this is a half part that we'll check once with the help of grid, whether this is half part or else this is a full part. I'll go to the top view, press 4. So this is not a half. So what I will do is I'll simply select this and move something somewhere like this. And just bring him to the center. This is the center. Okay, I used X to snap into the center, and now this part is off. You already knew by this where till this part that half part if you do in Maya, the rest of the half you can simply duplicate it, right? So Maya does by its own if you do the half work, right? So now I selected this box in top view. So today basically I'll give some basic idea of box modeling, and let's start a complete modeling with edge extrude. All right. In some cases, box modeling is very comfortable. In some cases, edge extrude modeling is very comfortable. It's upon to you that which type of technique you want to use. So here I already took this box, so I'm using this box itself, right? So this is my top, and this is my front, and this is my side. All right, and now I'll go with the side first. Press 4, and I'll remove the grid so that you can do properly. So I'll match this top till here. It's very easy. You have to simply match, and start working. That's one. Okay, and now let's go with the front. So my front, I'm checking on with this. All right. So here what I will do is I will simply take this point. So this little part will be extruded later, right? And side view. If you want, you can extrude the bottom one, and the upper part will be extruded later. That's up to you. Here I'm using my methods. Any method you can do. And top, I have to match the top. So here it's matched in the front view itself, so no issues. All right, the side view, and go to the edge ring and split. I got one split, so I'll move this where this point is matching, and now one more split. Here I got one more split, so I'll move these exactly here so that this is the least bottom part of this point. So that is done. Now I'll go with the vertex, select both the vertex and move it down. All right. and select this and move him down a little more. Right, I'm moving him a little back because the rest can also be extruded. So I'm trying to find the bonnet and this top part and this back. Okay, so let's first concentrate on top with it, and one more edging and split, and here I will have to move it to something this point and go to the vertex. Get some round. Yes, from side this is done, and let's go to the bottom, and I'll be pulling up till this because we are only doing the body. The rest of the wheels are different. That we'll do with another tools, another clay. All right. Okay, and we will go to the side again, and here one more edge extrude. So let's split it, and I'm splitting it, and one more edging and split, and I'll split it till this point, right? And go to the vertices, select them both, bring to that point, and take them also, and I'm making sure that they'll come to this point, and this one to this point, and this is okay, not bad. Select this, yeah, and this to there. This point to this point to this. It's very easy. You have to simply match, these lines. Then rest the shape it forms automatically, right? So this is the front view now. And this is the side view. Now let us go to the perspective and click on F, and some basic shape you can find out for the car, right? And if I have to make other part, simply go there to edit, duplicate special, and here I'll make it instance, and which axis, I think X it is -1, and duplicate special. So the rest of the part is ready. All right, so any changes you do here, that's also done on that other part. Okay, so I'll select this. You can see it's selected on both sides. So this is very basic shape of the car. Right? And next, press 4. You can go and you can check from the top view also. All right. So here in top view, I'll go to this vertex and I'll pull him little back so that this point should come out. Okay. And even this also goes till here. So these points will move, and here I got very nice finishing going there, and there you go. Okay, and good. And this point, the side view, complete total points should move, and select, move them down a little. That's it. And so good. Select these 2 points and move them side a little and click here and move them a little down. Okay, so now I'm not going to move them down. I'll select this three and from here I'll move all the three to the down like this. Okay, and to the front view, simply select and move them to this point. Select this, move it, select, see which part you have selected. It's a back, so I don't think so. The back will be in that way. Alright, top. So this is the point where your back should lie. Okay, and move this to this point here. Even this to this point. Select this one and bring it here. The back point should be here. And this to this, this to this, and this to this. Move and try to match that point. As you are matching this, so here it's matching top, and this point to that particular corner, simply place in there, smashed. Here one more split will do and it will be matched. Okay, there you go. Now you can check in the perspective, press 5. See, you can find the shape of the car. Okay, so this is how you can do box modeling. And you go to the side, press 4. I already said to you that I have to extrude this. Yeah, from the front we have to make one more extrusion, and this one will come out, and this one will pop, and this one more extrusion. So this one also will be popped. Okay. So this is how you follow with this. One more split I'm going to do. I'll continue this for a little while and then rest. I'll come back to the other technique, which I already said you, that's edge extrude technique. That will be hearing in the very next class. Okay. So likewise, adding some few details, and it will start giving you much more good luck. Front view, side, right? Yes, 5 and check. So you got that shape. Okay. And also you have to add one more this point so that here that bottom part gets extruded. So I'll add one more edge here, edging and split, right? And let's go to the top here and let's start working on this. So press 4, move here. So select all of them, even this, and move to the front. So here, there you go. Select this, select this. There you go. This in between of them both. All right. So this is the top one. I have to match this one. Go to the side with what you are going to match. Only this. you have to match. So I will already match. This point is matched and this point is matched. And my this point also should be matched with this. We can check here. Should match. Right? Press 5. Okay. And now let us go to the front view. Press 4 and check from the front view. If you want, you can make them align in one single line. Snap scale. Like this. Okay. And try to match them. Select these people and go to the front view and select this front view. There will be a little band. So to the down. Now you can find the difference. Press 5. Right? And you can check them from here and pull them up. Pull them also to the up. Select this. This is in between that and that. So how to manage. Okay. Press 4. So this shape is quite different. Find out which point is this. This edgy point. So from the side view, that edgy point should be here, right? Okay, the top. And now select this, put him down. Select this, put him down. So this is the way it is. Now, if you want, you can check from the front. It's coming. Sorry, vertices. Select this vertex. Yes. Make sure he is on this point. Right, and select this. He is on that. Okay. Okay. See? Right. So this comes in this way and this ends up in this. And now you can simply move them so that they do a small little alignment. Move them in this way, this way. Align little bit. Right. Press 5. Okay. 1, you can check. Press 3 and check. So you got that shape, whatever that body looks like, right? So we are not working on back at present. So this is what modeling. I mean that using the box modeling, you can do this, and I keep on adding more information, more details. You can keep on working on this. Here we should add one more edge on this point, and thus that comes up here and it ends there. This is a point where we have to end, and front view is okay, side view. This one should end on this one on this. Because this point we are not matching, we are trying to match that one. Select this, let him go and make this edge this way. Select this, make this edge in this way. And front view, you can check. It's fine. Right? Here you go. And there is one more. Press 4 once again. Side. What I'll do is I will use insert edge loop tool, and that was it. I'll try to insert. Okay, select all edges and deselect so that edges will not get selected. Now select this tool. Top view, you can insert one more edge. Let me insert from the side view. Press 5. Insert edge loop tool. Settings. Reset tool. Okay. Here you can insert in this way. There I want. So place here. Front view. Okay. Side view. Alright.